Durham, NC. From Tobacco Town to Cultural Hub. Tobacco roots, the city's industrial beginnings. Durham, North Carolina, was once synonymous with tobacco. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the city's economy and identity were shaped by the booming tobacco industry. Railroads like the New Hope Valley Railroad were built specifically to transport tobacco leaves from rural farms to Durham for processing and then to ship finished products nationwide. The American Tobacco Company became a dominant force, and the city's downtown was lined with warehouses, factories, and the iconic Lucky Strike smokestack. Transformation and revitalization. As the tobacco industry declined in the late 20th century, Durham faced the challenge of reinventing itself. The city's leaders and community members embraced adaptive reuse and creative redevelopment. The historic American Tobacco Campus, once a sprawling factory complex, was transformed into a vibrant mixed-use district filled with restaurants, offices, and entertainment venues. This revitalization became a model for urban renewal in the South. The city's rail and transit infrastructure, once dedicated to tobacco transport, now supports a thriving urban core. The American Tobacco Trail, a 22-plus-mile rails-to-trails project, follows the old railroad bed that once carried tobacco to market. Today, it's a beloved greenway for walking, biking, and connecting communities across Durham and the Triangle region. A flourishing cultural scene. Durham's transformation is perhaps most visible in its cultural renaissance. The city is now known for its dynamic arts, music, and food scenes. The Durham Performing Arts Center, DPAC, located near the historic train station, and American Tobacco Campus, stands as a symbol of this new era, drawing top-tier performances and visitors from across the region. The city's downtown buzzes with galleries, craft breweries, and innovative restaurants, reflecting a diverse and creative community. Why Durham's story matters. Durham's journey from a tobacco powerhouse to a cultural hub is a testament to resilience and reinvention. By honoring its industrial heritage while embracing new opportunities, Durham has become a model for cities seeking to balance history with progress. Its revitalized downtown, thriving art scene, and commitment to community make it one of the South's most exciting urban destinations. From the echoes of tobacco trains to the vibrant pulse of the arts, Durham's story is one of transformation, where history and innovation meet to create a city with a unique and enduring spirit.